Okay, students, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Again, chat section. I hope chat section is not working. So look at the board. Today your 7 in Skype group 7, that chat portion is not working in my class. I don't know what is the reason. I will contact with Manoj sir and Kaushik sir. Then after before that, just follow the class. I hope all the questions what I will going to discuss in this class will be clear. Okay. So in the previous class I have solved up to question number 1. Now today I will solve question number from 2. So in question number 2, what is given? Question number 2, it is given that in a quiz competition, that Jack scored in a successive round, that is 50, 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. Okay. So if I take that round 1, after round 1 he got 25, and round 2 that is minus 5, round 2 that is minus 5, round 3 he got minus 10, round 4 he got 15, and round 5 he got 10. Okay, he got 10 only. So round 3, round 4, round 5 and 10. Now one thing, students, it is asked in the question what is the total score, and why it is minus, because in the question it is given for incorrect answer negative marks will be provided, and here negative marks has been already provided, that's why number in negative. So in the second round and third round marks are in negative. So what will be the total score? So total score that is 25 plus or minus 5 plus or minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Okay, and whenever you get minus, that time use a bracket. That's why 2, 5 and 10, two brackets, two minus are there, that's why I have used here brackets. Okay, next, so 25, students, you have already known to it that plus into minus, bracket means multiplication, so plus into minus, minus 5, plus into minus, minus 10, and plus 10 and plus 15 and plus 10, addition 25. Okay, next part 25 minus 5, solve it. I have underlined it, so next line you will solve it. So 25 minus 5, that is 20 minus 10 plus 25. Now in the next step, solve it. 20 minus 10, that is 10. So 10 plus 25, that is 35. So what is the answer? What answer you will write? You write that at the end of okay, I am erasing that. At the end, Megha Ghosh, at the end of successive rounds, Jack's score is 35. It is the answer. I hope you don't have any problem regarding the question number 2. Okay, now moving on question number 3. Today I will solve up to question number 5. Okay, today I will solve question number 5. Now question number 5. Okay, now question number 5, that question number in the question number 5 it is given the question number not 5, sorry, for by mistake I have written that is question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3, it is given that in a temperature of, I hope it is Jammu Kashmir, okay, wait. Srinagar, the temperature on Monday, so temperature on Monday it is given minus 5 degrees Celsius. So what is the temperature on Monday? Temperature on Monday it is given minus 5 degrees Celsius. Minus 5 degrees Celsius, not 5 degrees Celsius, minus 5 degrees Celsius. Note it. And on Tuesday, 2 degrees Celsius dropped. Okay, so 2 degrees Celsius dropped. 2 degrees Celsius is dropped on Tuesday. First of all, students, at Monday it is minus 5 degrees Celsius and it is dropped. It is dropped on Tuesday 2 degrees Celsius. Drop means kome jawa. Taito? Drop means less than before. So what is the temperature on Tuesday? So temperature on Tuesday is, so previously it will be temperature on Monday minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, temperature on Monday minus 2 degrees. If 2 degree falls means from Monday's temperature is 2 degree falls. So what is the temperature on Monday? It is given, sir, minus 5 degrees Celsius. So minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. What will be the answer? First of all, students, I have taught you in class 6 that same sign, two number are in same sign mean addition. So just add 5 and 2, sir, it is 7 degree Celsius. And what is the sign of 5 and 2? It is, sir, minus. So if you have minus, so what is the temperature on Tuesday? That is minus 7 degree Celsius. Got it? Now coming on the case for Wednesday. In Wednesday, 4 degrees Celsius rose. 4 degrees Celsius rise. It means temperature on Wednesday, that is rises means above. So temperature, you can write here temperature on Tuesday plus 4 degrees Celsius. So what will be the answer? Minus 7 plus 4. It will be subtracted. 7 minus 4, 3 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius, it will be minus. 3 degrees Celsius, it will be in minus. Clear it is? I hope it is clear to everyone. So temperature on Wednesday, that is minus 3 degrees Celsius. Okay? I hope it is clear. Chat section is not working due to some technical fault. Okay, I cannot see your comment, cannot see your feedback, just this. Okay. So question number 4, question number 3 I have solved. Now moving on, question number 4. Two questions will solve more in today's class. In question number 4, it is given that from the sea level, a plane is moving at 5,000 meter above. Okay, and a submarine, a plane is flying above 500 meter, and a submarine is moving below sea level 1200 meter. So here is the water. It is moving 1200 meter, a submarine. Okay, a submarine is moving. Now what is the vertical distance between them? First of all, from the sea level, if I take above direction, if I take positive, below it should be negative. So height of the plane of the plane. Height of the plane, it should be positive or negative. Height of the plane, it should be positive or negative. I have taken here that from the sea level to above, that is positive. So it is 5,500 meter. Plus 500 meter. Okay, I am right. Nothing is there means plus is there. Even that I am giving here a plus. Now, what is the depth of submarine? Depth of submarine, that below from the sea level, it means it is negative, so it will minus 1200 meter. Now what is the vertical distance? Vertical distance means that distance, okay, that distance. So the vertical distance between them, vertical distance between them 500 meter plus minus 1200 meter. So you will get plus into minus. Sorry, student. That is two are in opposite signs. That should be negative. Okay. So 500 meter minus plus 1200 meter. So it should be 6200 meter. Answer is the vertical distance between two 6200. If anyone can do, that's a distance between them 5000 plus 1200, 6200. That is also correct. Okay, so that is question number 4. I hope it is you don't have any doubt regarding question number 4. Now moving on question number 5, and it is the last sums of today's class of question number 5. Mohan. Okay, Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank and account when withdrawn ato. Okay, so withdrawn amount is taken as negative. In the question, that is withdrawn amount is positive, negative. Is negative. Withdrawn amount মানে টাকা তোলাটা নেগেটিভ, দেন টাকা জমাটা পজিটিভ, দেন ডিপোজিট amount is taken as positive. Deposit amount is taken as positive. Okay, deposit amount is taken as positive. Now one thing, students, deposit amount, negative amount is negative, withdrawn amount is negative and deposit amount is positive. Now from the question it is given total amount deposited by Mohan, that is rupees 2000. It will be plus or minus, obviously sir plus, because it is deposit, that's why it will be plus. And amount withdrawn by Mohan, that is rupees 1642. It will be not plus because withdrawn it is given as negative, so it is minus. Now how much amount is left in his bank account, not balance, bank account. Okay, what is the bank balance at his account? Now amount left in his account that is 2000 minus 1642. So it will be rupees 358. I hope it is clear to you, all of you. When you have any problem, that amount left in his account, that rupees 358. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, it is the question number 5. Okay, now students, also I have solving question number 1. Question is left, most probably. Let check me the class book. That is next question, Rita. Okay, okay, next question from question number 6 I will solve in the next day. From question number 6 I will solve in the next day, and I hope you don't have any problem. You don't have any problem regarding these sums. That is, again I am repeating that withdrawn amount is negative because it is given in the question. It is given in the question. Then deposit amount is taken as positive. Okay, so that in this way I will solve it. Now one little things I will discuss here. Just look at the board. We know that is north, south, that is east and west. Okay, now one man is here. Okay, so okay, so Ram and Sam, two students are here. Ram is moving along this direction, he is here, and Sam is moving along this direction. Now Ram direction is taken as positive, then Sam direction will be taken as negative. Okay, as it is taken as positive, that's why it is taken as negative. In another way, if it is taken positive, then Ram is negative, just vice versa. Okay, in another way, from the from the north direction, if it is taken positive, south direction is in negative. Okay, if it is positive, it is negative. Okay, that will help you in the solve. This conception is help you to in graphical representation. So I hope it is clear to everyone, students. So today I end this class here. In the next day I hope that chat section will be it is not working actually. Kilometer. Okay, so students, I hope that you got the concept of that question number, and also you have enjoyed this online class. Though today I could not interact with you, so you have enjoyed it. Thank you, beta. Bye.